If you are using Azure OpenAI, there are two things you must understand: pricing and quotas. You are billed per token, not per request, and if you are not careful, this might get expensive. Let me explain it simply and share one cost-saving trick that no one talks about. Just keep one thing in mind, that Azure charge you based on tokens, not per messages. So now we will understand what is token. A token is a short chunk of text. For example, you can see on the screen, hello is equal to 1 token. OpenAI is amazing is equal to 5 tokens. About 750 words equal to 1000 tokens. Now let us understand Azure OpenAI pricing in 2025. If you are using GPT 3.5 Turbo, you need to pay 1.5 mils per 1000 prompts token and 2 mils per 1000 output tokens. If you are using GPT-4 with 8K limit, you have to pay 3 cents in and 6 cents out for GPT-4 8K. For GPT-4 32K, you need to pay 6 cents in, 12 cents out. If you send a 1000 token prompt and get a 1000 token response using GPT-4 8K, the total cost is 9 cents per interaction. Here is a tip for you. Use GPT 3.5 for less critical tasks, which is 20 times cheaper than GPT 4.0. So now let me explain you quotas. Azure gives you limited quotas for OpenAI applications. But these are the soft limit and not the hard limit. So at any given point of time, you can raise the request and increase your quota. There are two main types, TPM and RPM. TPM stands for tokens per minute and RPM stands for request per minute. TPM means how many tokens you can send and receive per minute, and RPM means how many API calls you can make per minute. To manage the quotas, go to Azure portal, figure out OpenAI resource, and increase your quotas. And if you need more quotas for GPT-4, don't forget to raise a request. Now I am going to explain you the trick that no one else consider. You should use GPT 3.5 for pre-processing, summarization, and cleaning tasks, and then pass that output to GPT 4.0 when needed. And this way you can cut your cost by 50%. Even it is better when you combine your GPT models with RAG to get the clear and context-aware answer. We can also use TickToken to estimate tokens. Don't forget to monitor cost by Azure Cost Management. You can also set app level as well as user level limits. Make sure to keep your prompt short and also set max tokens and temperature P parameters. So now you know how Azure OpenAI pricing works, and you can save your cost.